everybody, it's Brenna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a 10-minute easy glowy summer makeup look, mostly waterproof, and it's the perfect summer look for going to the water park, going to a late night cookout or a barbecue, if you're doing like a brunch in the day. I just feel like it's the most versatile look. It's easy, 10 minutes, lots of SPF, waterproof products just to make your makeup last all day without touch-ups. So if you want to see how I get this 10-minute glowy summer look, keep watching. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. First things first, gotta put my hair up. Just roll it out of my face, something fast. Matching clip. Okay, hair is back. Okay, first step is moisturizer. I use the Trader Joe's Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum every day before makeup because it's nice and sticky. It makes a good base for adhering makeup because I don't use foundation, so I need everything else to have a base to stick to. So I like to use that. Then I use a sensitive skin serum. It also has SPF in it, just because out in the summer, out in this Arizona heat, getting up to 110 degrees, you definitely need some kind of SPF with reapplying. So I try to put as many SPF products in my routine as I can. Okay, I have a mirror right here if I keep looking over, because I will need to do that for quite a bit of this. Okay, so after SPF, I go in with my spot treatment. Let's see, anywhere that I might need it. Not a lot of spots today. I do like a little bit of brightness around my nose. This is the Almay Clear Complexion Concealer. It has salicylic acid in it, so it is good for acne treatment on spots. So I'll just do a little bit of that where I need it, not too much. And then from there, I like to do the e.l.f. Putty Primer in Luminous with a little kabuki brush. Just kind of dab that under my eyes. It just adds an extra layer of glowiness, and it secures the concealer on longer. I bring it onto my eyelids if I was doing like a little bit more makeup, but I'm just going to keep my eyelids clear today just because it's faster. Bringing down the excess to the top of the cheekbones, that's where we want more natural highlight. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito All Day Full Coverage Concealer, and I use the color Light Honey. I'll just do like maybe one swipe here and here, 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 blend it out. And it still holds a lot of that glow from the primer, still comes through. Perfect. And then from there we do powder products that have SPF in them. So I have the Wet n Wild Color Icon. It's technically a bronzer. This powder is SPF 15. I don't even think they make it anymore, but it's a very light luminous powder, so I just get a little bit of that and set the eyes. Just the lightest, thinnest layer. And then I will go in with just a regular powder to set where I put the concealer for the spot correcting, just so that doesn't move. Okay, now we'll go into bronzer, and I'm going to use the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. It is waterproof. I mean, it's not that you need waterproof makeup. So, light layer around the perimeter. And I don't usually contour, but I do like to take just a tad bit and kind of just do the edges of my nose, just because I think it evens out the face so it doesn't look like I did the whole thing and forgot something. Okay, and now for probably the glowiest part of the entire makeup is Ofra highlighters. Ofra makes the most blinding highlighters. They are so shimmery. I have Rodeo Drive, and I'll just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch this. other side. It's almost like that natural glint of sweatiness, but I think it's really cute. Now we'll go in with yet another glowy product for blush, and we're doing Butter Blush from Physicians Formula in Natural Glow. Just a peachy pink. I like to go really heavy with the blush because I just think it blends the bronzer and the highlighter so nicely. And I like to keep it on the back part of my face, not bringing it too close in, but I will go on the nose. So it looks like I got some on my nose, chin, one dip across the forehead, just again to blend everything, but most of it on the back part of my cheeks. Okay, now we're gonna do the first round of setting spray. I love how the setting spray just instantly melts all the powders in, makes it look cohesive, smooth. Okay, now we will go into brows. Brows will be super quick, just brushing them up with a spoolie. And I'm gonna use not this brow product, but the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in Soft Brown. And I'll just very quickly just fill in my brow with a couple strokes. That's about it. Because I don't really need to define the edges, I just want them to be a little bit fuller. I'm not really trying to change the shape, just fill in the shape. And then we'll brush that out. How's everybody's summer going? I just was told by my mother that we are already halfway through my summer break until I have to go back to my second year of grad school, so that's kind of terrifying. I'm not really excited to go back. Well, I'm excited to go back. Of course I am, but it is nerve-wracking. A lot to get done still the rest of this summer. Hoping to do a little bit more traveling if we can. Really all we need left is lashes. Okay, I've changed my mind. I do want a little bit of color on the lids, so I'm just going to quickly put some of that extra concealer that might be left on my sponge. It also gets the rest of the oils up. Just a little bit on the lid alone. And I'm going to use the same bronzer that I used on my face because I just feel like it helps with a more cohesive look. And just kind of tap that on the lid. A little bit on the bottom. Kind of flick it out on the ends. There we go. Easy. Another step that's not needed but I think helps put the look together is I do the Juvia's Place Tribe Highlighter 3 in number 3 with a teeny tiny pencil brush. I just like to do the inner corners just to brighten up the whole look. Just a touch under the brow bone. Now I will take some clear brow gel. I like the e.l.f. one. It's only $2. It holds decently well. I know the hairspray trick works well, the wax works well, but I like the e.l.f. gel because it's easy to reapply if you need it later. And then I will go in with the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Chocolate. Do a quick coat of that as well. I really like the feathery look this summer. Just pushing all the brow hair up. Okay, so I just quickly curled my lashes and now I'm going in with Physicians Formula Butter Blowout Mascara. We'll just do a couple coats of that. I think this mascara actually smells like how the butter bronzer does as well. If you know that that line smells like coconuts, their products smell like coconut, and somehow they put that in the mascara. And it's just like the prettiest, cutest tube. And of course this look could always keep going. You could keep adding more, making it longer than 10 minutes. If you were going to the beach or the pool and you wanted your mascara to last a little bit longer, because we did use the waterproof bronzer as eyeshadow, after a first coat of mascara, throw a coat of waterproof on top. But there's all sorts of ways to make the longevity of your makeup keep lasting throughout. Okay, easy 2 coats of mascara. And do a final check. I think I just need to fix a little bit of the tail of a brow. Okay, and I think that is it for my easy 10-minute glowy summer makeup. I usually do this look on mornings that I have to get up early, rush to work, and it'd be really easy to just throw on some lashes and a little bit of eyeliner, and then you're ready to go out or switch the look up from day to night. You could add a bold lip as well. Let's see what we have nearby. Just a little bit of gloss. Let's see. I have this Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm in Unprofessional. Just a hot coral color, just throw some of that on, and you're ready. Always keeping a lip gloss in my purse, I could just throw it on through the day, just touch up the look. And then one final thing that I like to add, instead of a final set of setting spray, I use the Supergoop Defense Refresh Resetting Mist. It has SPF 40 in it, so it really helps just reapply your SPF. I feel like it goes really easily on top of makeup, but just make sure that you don't get it in your eyes. But I feel like this is the easiest way to reapply, because you're supposed to apply every 2 hours. So just a little spray of this if you're outside all day works wonders. Spray it on your chest, your shoulders as well as needed. That is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you want me to do more makeup tutorials, let me know. Something more in depth, something with color. I love playing with color. I just got a bunch of new eyeliner colors. If you want to see me do something more with color, let me know. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment of what you'd like to see next. Leave me a comment of how your summer's going. If you have any other fun summer plans, leave them in the comments. We can all get some mutual ideas together. Subscribe to see what's next. Bye!